Hey guys, it's Mr. L. Hope you're having a good day. I'm having a good day because I'm out geocaching. I am up in Highland Forest State Park in New York State. Please remember to be good for your substitute teacher. Do whatever they tell you to do. And also remember that if you look to the right of this arrow, you will see a chicken skeleton. That is my super secret spy chicken who has a tiny camera in its head. So while I'm not there to actually witness your behavior, the chicken will record it. So anyway, let's get back to yesterday. We spoke about metric conversions. And with metric conversions, we have to remember that we got some base units here of the meter, the liter, and the gram. Now, meters are used to measure length. Liters are used to measure volume, how much space something takes up, and grams are used to measure mass, or how much matters in something. The base units we write for these is just a plain lowercase m, a plain little l, and a plain g. And now, these have no prefix on them. So if I just want to say something is 10 meters, that's how I'd write it. Or if I have 10 liters of something, I could write it like that. Or if I have 10 grams of something, I could just write it like that. Now, in the English system of measurement, it's a pain because we have so many different things. Like we have inches, and then we have feet, and we have yards and furlongs. Well, rather than have 20 different names for every different type of thing we've got, in the metric system, we just add a prefix in front of these to make it have more meaning. Now, the way we remember these, or that I do, is using a mnemonic device, where we go King Henry died Monday drinking chocolate milk. Now, what this does for us then is if we take a look, since it's a mnemonic device, at the first letters we have of each one of these, the K stands for kilo, the H for hecto, the D for deca, the M for our base units of the meter, the liter, and the gram, D for deci, C for centi, and M for milli. Now, for each one of these, the letter that we would use to represent them would be just a K, and H. For deca, we use DA. Here again, this will depend on what you're measuring. This will be either the meter, the liter, and the gram. And then these things will get added in front of the meter, liter, and gram. Or if we're going to get smaller than the whole meter, then we have D for deci, C for centi, M for milli. And again, these things can get added in front of these in order to give it more meaning. What these actually mean is kilo means 1,000, hecto 100, deca 10. Your base units would just be worth 1, deci 1/10, centi 1/100th, and milli 1/1000th. Now, we can use this to do conversions like this. Say, for example, like you're going to have in classwork here in just a minute, I give you 357 centimeters, and I want to know how many meters that's worth. Go up to your chart you've got drawn out here. So literally write out, King Henry died Monday drinking chocolate milk, and write these prefixes out. Start here, since we're starting with centi, start with centi. We're ending with meter, which is a base unit, so you'll end here under Monday. So you'll finish here, and to make that move, you have to go 1, 2 spots to the left. So look at 357, even though it's not shown, the decimal would be here. To make that move that decimal 1, 2 spots to the left. 3.57. So 357 centimeters is the same as 3.57 meters. I'll do another one with you here. How about we'll do 23.8 decagrams is equal to how many centigrams? So I know this is decagrams because I see a DA here in front of the base unit. Since that's the case, I'll start here at deca, since I'm beginning with decagrams. I'm going to finish with centi. 1, 2, 3 to the right to make that move. go back to my decimal place, and I need to move it 1, 2, 3 to the right. Now, since there's empty spaces here, put zeros there. We're going to go 2, 3, 8, just like we started with, and I've got 2 empty spaces, so I'll add 2 zeros on here. Go back, put my comma in. 23,800 centigrams is the same as 23.8 decagrams. Now, let's take a look back here at our worksheet. And on this worksheet, at the top here, you can include your chart with, oh, there's my hand, even though I'm not here. We've got King Henry died, our base units here of the meter, liter, and gram. King Henry died Monday drinking chocolate. I guess I can put them in the boxes. Drinking chocolate milk. And that stands for kilo, hecto, deca, the base units, deci, centi, and milli. So to do the conversions, let's say, for example, we'll start right here with this one. We're starting with milligrams. So I'll go up to my chart here, and I'll put a little start next to milli, since that's here, M for milligrams. Just plain G is found under the base unit, so I'm going to finish here. Go 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. So my decimal point is there at the end of 1,000. Move at 1, 2, 3 spots to the left, which will be 1.000 grams. For down here, what you need to do is we can't compare them since they're in different units right now. So convert them to the same exact unit. So for example, you could either change this centimeters, 56 centimeters into meters, or change 6 meters back into centimeters. How about I'll take the 56 centimeters and see that is equal to how many meters. So to do that, let's go back up to our chart. On here, I'll put those back. On here, we're starting with centimeters, so I'm going to start, put a little S here for start. I'm going to finish the base units here, the meter, liter, gram. So I'm going to finish here. To make that move, that conversion, I only need to move 1, 2 spots to the left. So do the same thing with your decimal. My decimal would be here after 56, so move it 1, 2 spots to the left, which would be 0.56. Since 0.56 meters is obviously smaller than 6 meters, draw the appropriate sign in there. So less than sign will fit. On the back, do the same thing for homework. The only exception is on the back here. If you would please, at the very top, make sure you go through and list for me up here the kg for kilogram, just a plain m for meter, and whatever else would be appropriate for those. Okay? And at the bottom you'll have some practice to do as well. If you don't finish this in class, it's for homework tomorrow. I hope you have a good day, guys. I hope this worked for you. Remember, be good. The chicken's watching, and I will see you on Friday, since most of you will be gone Thursday. Have fun on your trip. Bye.